Camila, and today I'm going to talk about San Felix. I chose this section one to do because San Felix is one of the most beautiful and pleasant places near Medellin. San Felix has large green areas where you can see on the grass relax and enjoy nature. You can spend time with your friends, family, or partner, talking with it, or witnessing the mountain in the sky. The fresh air and the amazing view make the place perfect for people who come to disconnect from the noise of the city. One of the most popular activities is parapente. You can trip parapente and see the landscape from the sky. It's one of the most exciting experiences you can have in Colombia. If you visit on the sunny weekend, you still see many people flee and enjoy the adventure. San Felix is also known for its local produce made of the art made by friends and artists from near one like San Pedro de los Milagros. They are framed and working. People will say delicious food, hunter wraps and traditional. When taste local produce is one of the best ways to support the community. You admire the pictures of the sunset because the news is further the colors in the sky make it look like paint. It's really magical. Visiting San Felix is the best way to realize, connect with nature, and enjoy unique atmosphere. Next, I'm going to show you me photos of the wonderful landscape. Thank you for watching. Hoping you visit San Felix soon. Thanks, thanks, thanks.